Get you one of these. Hey everybody, if you don't already know, I'm O and welcome to my channel. So you guys, Christmas has come early. Thanks to our sponsors of today's video, Newair, who we will talk about much more in detail later on in the video, but also thanks to my husband because he went up in the attic and brought down all of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start digging through it, pulling out what I plan on using for our Christmas decor for this year, and figuring out what our design is going to be. I want to take my time, so check it out. Here I've compiled a lot of what I do want to use this year. There is a lot that I am not using at all. I do have a few new items as well. I'm not doing, a full decorating process in this video, just, getting the ball rolling, getting it started, and getting in the Christmas spirit. I actually have two of these small trees. They came as a pair. Unfortunately, I only have one of these baskets. Trust me, I tried desperately to find a second one with no success. But, I'll take it. One is better than nothing, or as we say in my family, and better than none. Okay, so as I mentioned at the top of the video, Christmas has come early thanks to Newair, the sponsor of today's video. This is the Newair wine fridge, the Newair Shadow Line wine fridge to be exact. The specific model is the NWC016BK00. So now that you've been introduced, let's get into the unboxing. Immediately, yes, I love the color. The black is going to fit in so nicely around here. My strong son has come to help me this time. Get you one of these. I love the look of this smoked glass door, which is also double layered. That's really important for maintaining the temperature inside of the refrigerator. I was very pleasantly surprised to see the all black interior, the shelves included. I mean, how sleek, how modern. I love it. It sounds like I'm talking about the interior of a car, but that's just how sleek this is. As you can see, the racks are removable. That's going to allow you to be able to adjust the height of the shelves depending on your personal needs, size of the bottle, things like that. quickly, I wanted to take a look at the manual for this Newair wine fridge so that I could become familiar with all its cool features. Alongside the LED display is a button that allows you to turn on the interior light, which is so cute. I love this feature. This wine cooler is temperature controlled, which is going to allow you to keep your reds and your whites at its proper temperature. And then also it allows you to change whether or not you want the temperature to display in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Alright, so I'm ready to load this bad boy up. We are always hosting and entertaining during the holiday season, so this is perfect. We can already have wine chilling and ready to go. Newair was kind enough to provide me with a 10% off coupon code so that I could share it with you guys, my tribe, and the link is in the description. It is that gift giving time of the year, so maybe you want to grab one for a friend, for a family member, or even yourself. Like, especially for those of you out there who are moms like me, we need our mommy juice. I had to put in one of my favorites during the holiday season. This is definitely going to get the party started. Everything had a chance to chill overnight, so what else was there to do but pour a glass? Alright you guys, that is it and that is all. Cheers to you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And cheers to Newair for this new wine cooler refrigerator. Until next time, thanks for watching.